The Lite-Check Model 137 output tester, setup and use. The 137 is capable of testing the output of a tractor or trailer. Simply select which one you're hooking up by switching the tester's tractor-trailer switch. Remember to chock the tires of the unit you're testing. Hook up the 137 to the air output glad hands of the unit you are testing, and then the 7-way cable to the 7-way socket of the unit. Turn the ignition switch to the first position. Upon powering, the ABS lamp will turn on for 3 to 4 seconds. That ensures that the tractor auxiliary circuit and lamp are working according to the TMC repair procedures 141 and 144. When testing a tractor, your tractor battery voltage should be close to 13.5 volts, indicating a good battery. The unit is powered by the aux line of the output source. If the screen is blank after the tractor or trailer is turned on, check connections and ensure there is voltage on the aux line. If the tester does not turn on, it suggests no connection or no power from the tractor. Go ahead and turn on the ignition. If the engine is not running, the tester will be powered by the tractor's battery. With the tractor running, the tester shows alternator output. If the voltage is jumping from high to low, 28 volts to 9 volts or similar, it indicates a malfunctioning alternator. With a 5 amp load, the tester shows voltage available on the auxiliary line. This is to the left of the screen. Reference TMC repair procedure 141 for more details. Depress the brake pedal to activate the brake circuit. The brake circuit has a 5 amp load, and the voltage will be indicated by the tester. Walk through the running lights, tail, and turn signals, making sure the voltage is sufficient. As for the air operation, when you release the parking brakes, you can observe the emergency air gauge pressure and make sure the emergency charge meets specifications. It should be 110 to 120 psi. This follows the guidelines for repair procedure 619. Now you can apply the brakes to read the service pressure, which should be approximately 90 psi. Turn off the engine with the ignition switch and apply the park brake. Depress the brake repeatedly to test the low air warning system, which will happen at approximately 60 psi. Now we'll proceed to the trailer or dolly test. We'll be using a dolly for this example. Remember, to test a trailer output, set the switch to trailer. Our Inspector 925 is well suited with the 137 output tester to test trailers or dollies. The Inspector 925 acts as a tractor to the dolly. Ensure your trailer or dolly is compliant with the TMC recommended practice 137 and 141. Apply the auxiliary circuit on the Lite-Check inspector to check the output tester for ABS voltage. Check for a minimum output of 12 volts from the lead trailer. To apply and test more than one circuit with the 925, press Select, power the aux line, and test to the circuits one at a time. After that, observe the output at the rear of the trailer. Remember, the inspector has to have 13.8 volts and 110 psi air hooked up to simulate a tractor. As a bonus, if you do have a 925 unit, you may also perform an ABS test to read the ABS ECU conditions present on the trailer or dolly. Just like with the tractor, you can apply emergency and service air to check the pressures. You may also perform an air leak test if you have both the 920 and the 137 hooked up. The 137 can be used in any combination of trailers and dollies connected. It isn't limited to just one. We've covered how to use the 137 output tester. It's a one-person operation that's simple and easy to use with accurate results.